Welcome to Minecraft. It's time for a spelling quiz. Let's see if you can actually spell these words correctly. Before starting, please subscribe to the Minecraft channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready? Let's go. How do you spell pineapple? Great job. The answer is A. Can you spell elephant correctly? Nice one. The answer is B. Do you know how giraffe is spelled? Excellent. The answer is C. How do you spell penguin? Fantastic. The answer is D. Can you spell dolphin correctly? Well done. The answer is B. Do you know how kangaroo is spelled? Amazing. The answer is D. How do you spell broccoli? Correct. The answer is B. Can you spell helicopter correctly? Great work. The answer is A. Do you know how dinosaur is spelled? Nice job. The answer is C. How do you spell crocodile? Fantastic. The answer is D. Can you spell watermelon correctly? Excellent. The answer is D. Do you know how rhinoceros is spelled? Brilliant. The answer is A. How do you spell chameleon? Wonderful. The answer is B. Can you spell octopus correctly? Great job. The answer is C. Do you know how alligator is spelled? Nice one. The answer is A. How do you spell hippopotamus? Excellent. The answer is C. Can you spell cucumber correctly? Amazing. The answer is D. Do you know how pomegranate is spelled? Fantastic. The answer is B. How do you spell chandelier? Well done. The answer is C. Can you spell caterpillar correctly? Great work. The answer is B.